So this is how it sits at the end of 2025. And I haven't been working on it much. I've been doing house projects and mostly kids. But I did get a bumper that I designed in CAD, and it's currently just tacked. So eventually I get back to that. That'll be a different video. 2026, I think I'd like to take the tires off and paint or powder coat the wheels black. I'm still looking for a better camper shell. I found this one on Facebook for 50 bucks. And it's actually pretty cool for camping, but to me it's a little bit too big, too tall. So I'm still looking to figure that out. I would like to rhino line the back of the bed once I finish welding it. Got some miscellaneous junk in here. But I'm gonna plan on going camping in February with this thing, so. And then eventually paint the bed to match the truck yellow and try to patina it as best as possible. I also like to put a family construction decal on the side of the doors. Make it like a 70s stenciled construction. Paint the front panels to match the yellow too. Powder coat the bumper black. And then eventually I'd like to get some better suspension on it. So that's kind of an overview. More to come in 2026.